Hello guys, you are watching Technological Film. Let's learn and watch with practical in this tutorial how to rescue of your Gmail password in case you have forgot, lost or someone who has stolen. Yes, hijacked, hacked your Gmail password. Either it is new Gmail or old ones. Don't worry. Apply a similar strategy to a rescue of this area. See here, this idea has been recommended by one viewer who has lost his device and due to losing of his device. Now, he's not in the positions to rescue his Gmail because he doesn't have the recovery email and the recovery phone so that he can rescue of this idea. So what are the alternative options and how can I rescue easily this idea within 10 minutes? We will see live. It is a screenshot that by a common method in front of you actually I attempted. It's a screenshot that especially you did not provide enough information for the Google to be sure that this account is really wrong. Yes, answer is questions on. Second is that especially any alternative email that is linked with this special ID, then we have the send email to the parents to the send password. Is it possible to rescue this ID? Don't say no. Yes, this can be, guys. Don't click on here, otherwise this option will be again and again will come. So we will cut it from here and simply take any smartphones. Of course, apply a similar strategy that I'm going to do here. So yes, now we will come to Play Store, guys. Let's see where it is. Play Store. Just we will come now Play Store. So here it is, especially Play Store. Tap on it. Now here, just we will have to tap here. Fairy browser. Yes, we will go for especially F5 Fire, just sorry for extents, guys. Yes, we will go for especially installations. 2-3 area has been especially I'm recovered today. So this is the last one, and that's why I decided to record especially maybe especially useful for someone's. So now it has started to install, and almost especially it has been installed because the total size of approximately is 26 or 24 MB. So now we will come in especially I'm in Google Chrome's, yes, and we will come in especially notifications. Notification we will have to make it disable and the upon. Yes, we will have to come in permission, guys. In the permission we will have to make it disable the precise location, so navigation and tracking will not be easy by Google's. No longer the function as intended. For time being I'm doing this, so we will cut it from here. Now we will come in especially another browser. We have similar strategy we will have to apply a little bit. We will have to add difference, so just we will come in here. Notification we will have to come and make disable, then tap on it, come in the permission. In the permission, of course, we will have to tap on the location, make it the precise location off, and then click here, don't allow. So no longer function, it's a saying basic function. Now we will have to one more time back, and here is especially defaults. This is very crucial things. All the links you will have especially make disable so that this will not be a functional. Now free up speech you will have enable, make it disable at all. Now this browser here, on the other hand, it has been installed. So now what we will do, guys, here, just we will wait here. Yes, we will have to wait. Now see, it's the thing, so couldn't sign in directly, so just we will go for try another way, and just we will go for here, enter the ID. So I'm the trying to, yes, we will fix this ID. We'll go for try another way. Sorry, next. In next to here, try another way. Now see, it's asking a password. We don't have a password, guys. Don't worry. Here is a locked ID especially. So how many ID, especially how many devices are logged with this especially particular? Yes, with these emails we will try to approach. Now it's asking option is given last password. Did you remember? No. This number is registered with this ID, so it is absolutely verified and official ID, guys. So now what we will do here, if you don't know and it has been hacked or stolen by someone, then don't click on our text or calls, otherwise OTP is generated and yes, notification will be sent on this number. So yes, you know what kind of the consequences will happen, so just we will go for here, don't have. Now it is just the motives to the rest of these accounts. Here is a 3-4 option. One is the answer as many questions as you can. Second is that use a device where you have signed in before. And the third is that alternative emails that I have already mentioned to you. We will prefer to the motives to the rest of these accounts. So don't click on here try again, so otherwise this account would be a freeze because I'm trying to rescue by a different browser. But motives to a rest of this we will use especially these tricks by especially yes easy way, especially by the coming on especially Google Assistance or from this ones. Just we will go for. Now here what we will do guys here, just we will come especially in a Google services and the preferences of these options. In each smartphone so there is options. Yes, we will tap on. Now see a little bit our device has been maybe had a little bit, it's working slow. We will tap on especially help options. When we tap on a help options in there, don't worry, we will come in especially Windows search bar, just to tap on. Now right here hacked, and we will go for picture this hacked Gmail recovery. So now see here what's going to happen. Here we will have to go for especially secure hacked or compromised accounts. We will have to tap on. So now what will happen? Here is especially review your account activities. Here is find out if your account has been hacked. See if you still believe that someone is using this account, then tap on it. Now files. Now we will come in up, and of course here is these steps to other export from these accounts. Now what we will do guys here, just we will come in a recovery page, but before the going there we will come in here, check it out. These recovery page we will have to follow where both option is coming, that what if I can't sign in, what if I can't sign in, and then of course we will go for on this page only once this here, just we will to tap on this page, so directly would be especially transfer to other recovery board. Directly here we will have to tap in this side files. Don't do anything, so just click on an next guys and see what's going to happen. This ID has been rescued guys. Now see here, yes, now don't click on a continue, otherwise would be trapping its verify option. So don't click on here, just we will tap on a special update password because we don't have the recovery phone numbers. Now here create a password, confirm password, go for save it. After saving, what we will do here, just we will go in account management, Google account management, and there you will have a security option. Security 2 we will have to tap on a recovery email, add a firstly recovery emails, and then they remove a recovery phone numbers that was not here, and add a new phone numbers verified, then go for especially save it, so this email will be permanently secured. Right now on a live screen we cannot show you further step guys because this is a data privacy concern of my viewers. Sure. This is all about if you are unable to execute these things and you think so that I am the customizer, especially the setup and do to especially easily I recover, then don't worry, you can leave your email below the comment box or drop in the comments box. I will pick ones. If you don't have any objections to disclose your ID on a public domain in this channels or on this channels, then otherwise apply a similar strategy, you will be able to easily rescue of your emails. Don't worry. So this is all about how to like this tutorial. Don't forget, leave feedbacks below the comment box guys. Your feedback is very essential for me to make it such as informative or not. Don't misuse also, this is a voluminous institution and education purpose. So thank you very much and have a great time guys. Bye bye.